given to us and we need to check which of these following options are correct. So this is the given function, that is fx equal to 0 if x is less than equal to 0 and is equal to x cube if x is strictly greater than 0, right? So first case is when x is strictly less than 0. For that, what is the value of fx? Now fx equal to 0 if x is less than equal to 0. So for x strictly less than 0, we take the value of fx to be 0. And then the first derivative of fx is 0. The second derivative is also 0 and third derivative is also 0. For x strictly positive, we take the value of fx to be x cube. And the first derivative becomes 3x square. The second derivative is 6x and the third derivative becomes 6, right? And when x equal to 0, we get the value of fx at x equal to 0 to be again this 0 because we are having this value for x less than equal to 0, right? So this is 0. So let's first check f dash x exists at each x or not, right? For that, we have to calculate the first left-hand derivative for this. So the formula for the left-hand derivative is limit x tends to 0 minus f of x minus f of 0 divided by x minus 0. So this is limit x tends to 0 negative. What is the value of fx for x strictly? This 0 negative means x is strictly less than 0. What is the value of fx at x strictly less than 0? We have this to be as 0. So this is 0 minus and f of 0 is 0 divided by x minus 0. That is equal to 0. Let's find out the right-hand derivative for this. So for that, limit x tends to 0 plus f of x minus f of 0 divided by x minus 0. So that is equal to limit x tends to 0 positive. What is the value of fx when x is strictly positive? It is x cube, right? So this is x cube minus f of 0 is 0 from here divided by x minus 0. So that is equal to limit x tends to 0 positive, it is x square. So putting x equal to 0 over here, we get this to be as 0. So the left-hand derivative and right-hand derivative are equal, right? Left-hand derivative is equal to the right-hand derivative. So hence, f dash exists for each x, right? And is equal to 0. Let's check for the second derivative. So let's calculate the left hand second derivative. So that is limit x tends to 0 minus f dash x minus f dash 0 divided by x minus 0. So that is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, what is the first derivative for x strictly less than 0? It is 0. So this is 0 minus, okay, because f of 0 is 0, so the first derivative at x equal to 0 is also 0. So f dash 0 is also 0 divided by x minus 0. So that gives us 0. Calculating the right hand second derivative, what is the value of first derivative when x is strictly greater than 0? It is 3x square. So this is 3x square minus 0 divided by x minus 0. That is equal to limit x tending to 0 plus it is 3x. That gives again 0, right? So here also left hand derivative is equal to the right hand derivative for the second derivative. So second derivative exists. So therefore the left hand derivative is equal to the right hand derivative and hence second derivative exists at each x, right? Okay, let's check the third option about the third derivative at x equal to 0, whether it exists or not. Let's find out the left hand derivative first. So this is limit x tending to 0 minus, and we are getting here f double derivative at x minus f double derivative at x equal to 0 divided by x minus 0. So f double dash x for x strictly less than 0 is 0. So this is 0 minus 0 divided by x minus 0, that gives 0. finding the right-hand derivative now. Okay, the value of double derivative of fx at x greater than 0. What is the value of double derivative of fx for x strictly greater than 0? So this is 6x, right? Minus, this is 0, divided by x. So this is equal to limit x tending to 0 plus this is 6, that is equal to 6. Now the left-hand derivative is not equal to the right-hand derivative, right? Therefore, the third derivative at x equal to 0 does not exist. Okay, first derivative and second derivative exist for each x. Yes, this is correct. Third derivative does not exist at x equal to 0. Yes, this is also correct. Third derivative exists at x equal to 0. No, this is not correct. And this is also rejected. So A and B options are correct. Thank you.